Hi, I'm Todd Armstrong with the Compass Military Division. I'm super excited to announce our official launch party on the USS Midway. Yes, we rented out an aircraft carrier. How many people can say that? It's November 15th, it's 6 to 10 p.m. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We got DJs, we got food, we got alcohol, we're gonna have dancing, we have photo booths, step and repeat, and then you get to tour the Midway and you get to see all the historical aircraft, some of which I worked on. It's gonna be a blast, so make sure you register and let's get you there. So the reason we created the division was we wanted to help the military families and have them represented by agents who are actually in the military themselves. Who better to represent that than somebody that wore the uniform, lived the lifestyle, and knows the home buying process works. And if you're part of the Compass Military Division, make sure you register today because the spots are filling up quick. We're limited to about 300 people. We're also looking for donors and sponsors, so if you're interested in that, please reach out to us right away because there's still time left.